Hey guys, this is Razvan Dragos, and today we're going to show you how to install carbon fiber mirror caps on a Mercedes CLS 550. Okay, to take it off, you want to put your hand on the back and start pulling from the bottom while lifting up from this side. Alright guys, so after pulling it up, we decided that it wasn't budging, so what we did, we took a key and then we started going on the sides and unclipping the clips. You see there's one here, there's another here and here, so you have to go like that and keep pulling up while somebody else pulls up on it. So that's how we took it off, and then after all that, it comes right off. Next, what you want to do is you want to remove this screw and this screw, and by unclipping these and this, you're going to take out the turn signal. Okay, now let's remove this. And this one. And now you want to unclip this. While you push from this side. Like that. Okay, now using a stick, you want to unglue this piece because it's glued on. You can see it came off, and now you can remove the turn signal and it comes out. Next, you want to take your carbon fiber one and do the reverse. So you put it in from this way. Okay, now we went in, and you want to clip the clips back on. Make sure it's on right. And it's clipped on. It's clipped on all good. Next, you want to put in the screws. Second one. You don't want to do it too tight so it doesn't break. And now you're ready to install it. Okay, now you want to install it back up. You want to make sure that it aligns with this. Okay, now you want to make sure that the mirror is straight so it goes down evenly, and you just want to press it down until it clicks back into place. You want to make sure that this looks good. This was Razvan Dragos, and thank you for watching.